Hello and good evening everyone. Welcome to the amazing session of Matholics. We'll be starting coordinate geometry PYQ series, lecture number 2. Lecture number 1 already done. That was actually the intro and some good questions also. And today we'll be practicing more and more good level of questions. Okay, so this is for board exams 25-26, class 10 maths, coordinate geometry, lecture number 2. In 1 minute, we'll be starting the session. Till then, you can share with all your friends. Share the link with all of your friends. Am I clearly audible and visible? Hi, hello, good evening. Am I clearly audible and visible? Hi, hello, 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 hi, 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 hi. Hello, is everything all is well? So we can start the session ASAP. This is coordinate geometry PYQ series. Now, what is PYQ? What is PYQ? Can anyone tell me? Anyone tell me in the comments what is PYQ? It is previous year questions. Every question which I am solving in my classes is PYQ only. Most of them are PYQs. So that you must be able to solve what is expected to come in your exams. End of the day, what do we need? Examinations must go well. That's it. Okay. Okay. Previous year questions. Exactly, Akash. So true. So true. Okay. So we'll start the session in next 10 seconds. This is coordinate geometry PYQ series lecture number 2 for board exams 25-26, irrespective of CBSE, ICSE or whatever board you are from. This lecture is for you if you are in class 10th. Okay. So last I think I have done this we done. This we are done. This was basic. Distance formula we have started and we actually solved 3-4 questions also. Okay. This we done. Okay. Find the value of x. X was equals to 7 and 1. Okay, done. Next one I gave you in homework. I gave you for homework. Next I gave you for homework. Did anyone solve this question? Let me see. Let me see. Anyone solve this question? Yes or no? This was a question based on circles and coordinate geometry. CBSE 2009 question, PYQ previous year question. If the points A 4, 3 and B x, 5 are on the circle with center 2, 3, this is the center. This is point A 4, 3. This is point B x, 5. One point is A x, 4, 3. Other point is x, y. On the these points are what? These are on the circle. On the circle means one point is there, one point is there. Center is 2, 3. You have to find the value of x. Just find the value of x. Now, how to find? See, how to find this value of x? We'll solve. Don't worry. Just diagram copy. Diagram copy. Copy the diagram. Copy the diagram. We'll be solving this question. Okay. So this is the question. Simple, a circle is given, 2 points are given, and we have to solve for x. Find the value of x. So how to find the value of x? See, if I say this is radius, this is also radius. So these lengths will be equal. That means OA is equals to OB. Okay. OB is equals to OA. Can I say? Yes, sir. What will be OB? What will be OB? What will be the value of OB? Distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. So for OB, it will be x minus 2 whole square in under root. Under root of x minus 2 whole square plus, if x minus 2, then 5 minus 3 whole square. Okay. That's equals to under root of, what is OA? OA, 4 minus 2 whole square. 4 x coordinate this and this, 4 minus 2 whole square. Similarly, this 3 and 3. Okay. So 3 minus 3 whole square plus 3 minus 3 whole square. This we have to do. Is this thing is clear? So we can move forward. Done? Sorted? Sorted. Okay, so let's start. How we did this? 4 minus 2 and this is 3 minus 3. Okay. Now, if you square both sides, this square root will cancel this square root. These square roots will get cancelled if you square both sides. And what we'll get? We'll get x minus 2 whole square. Plus 5 minus 3 is what? 2 square. And 2 square is what? 4. equals to 4 minus 2 whole square. 2 square is 4 plus it is 0. Okay. So x minus 2 whole square equals to 4 minus 4, that is 0. So x minus 2 equals to 0. So x equals to 2. Simple. Don't open this in hurry. Don't open this, okay? You have to wait and see. So x minus 2 whole square is 0. So x minus 2 0. X equals to 2. X equals to 2. Copy it. Copy it. 1 minute I'm giving. Copy, copy, copy. These type of questions are asked randomly in exams, okay? This is 2 marks question, we'll say. Okay, next question. Find a point on x-axis which is equidistant from these points. Find a point on x-axis. Okay. Question CBSE 2009, CBSE 2017. What the question says? Question is find a point on x-axis. Find a point on x-axis. X-axis. Point is on x-axis, which is equidistant from these 2 points. So 2 points we can make. 2 points we can make here. One point is A, this 2 comma minus 5, and this point is B, which is minus 2 comma 9, right? Now we have to find a point. We have to find a point. Now what is this point? We have to find a point on x-axis. This point is on x-axis, which is equidistant from both of these. Say this point is this. Okay. So if you join this point with this point and this point with this point, let's say this is C. So AC is equals to BC. You get this point? AC is equals to BC. AC is equals to BC, right? Now what are the coordinates of C? See, we know that C is on x-axis. C is a point which lies on x-axis, right? And the points which are on the x-axis have their y coordinate 0. You know this? If this is the coordinate x's, this is x and this is y, all those points which are on the x-axis, what will be their coordinate? What will be their coordinates? These points will have something x, but y coordinate will be 0. For points on the x-axis, y has to be equal to 0. Yes or no? Y has to be equal to 0. Yes or no? These points will have y equal to 0. So when y equal to 0, the coordinates of this point, I can let it as x comma 0. Yes or no? Got this point, or is still there is confusion? Tell me in the comments. Is this point clear or there is confusion? Tell me. I think it's clear. Confused. See, the points which are on the x-axis, will have their y coordinate 0. Yes or no? Say this point is 5 comma 0. Some point is 5 comma 0. 5 comma 0 will lie on where? Which axis? On x-axis. I told you in the last lectures also. I already cleared this point in the last lectures also. But you guys are what? You're not focusing on the theoretical part. You just need to solve questions and questions and questions. What is the use of solving questions? I told you, the points which are on the x-axis will have their ordinate 0, means y coordinate 0. And points on the y-axis will have x equal to 0 because it's not moving here or here. It is in the center and this is 0 comma 0 center. If the origin is 0 comma 0, this point, these points will have x coordinate 0. But if our origin is 0 comma 0 and point is on the x axis, it is not moving up, it is not moving down, so y has to be 0. Okay. Next. Where is it? Okay. Now clear? Now I guess it's clear. Yes or no? Got it? Everyone? Sorted. Okay, let's move forward. So I'll write it as x comma 0, right? This is important. Note it. Okay. How to let? If you cannot let, na, these questions are not getting, these are not easily solved. Okay. So we have to find a point. We have to find a point. So we'll write AC equals to BC. So now AC equals to BC would mean what? Under root of, what will be AC? Tell me. AC is under root of x minus 2 whole square plus what will be x minus 2, 0 minus minus 5 plus 0 minus minus 5 whole square, right? So it will be 0 plus 5 in fact, okay. And under root of BC, what is BC? BC, x minus minus 2, x minus minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 9 whole square. Clear? Under root of x minus 2, this is x minus 2, 0 minus minus 5. So it will be nothing but under root of x minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus minus plus 5. 5 whole square is 25. 5 or minus 5 whole square is 25 equals to under root of, it will be what? X minus minus 2, x plus 2 whole square plus minus 9 whole square, it is 81. This point is clear or no? I think this point is very much clear. Okay, do not forget to like and share. Come on. Squaring both sides, SBS. Squaring both sides, you cannot write it in exam SBS, you have to write complete. Squaring both sides, okay. When you square, this square root will cancel this square root, okay, this will be cancelled. So x minus 2 whole square plus 25 equal to x plus 2 whole square plus 81. Now open it. A minus b whole square, a plus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So x square, 2 square is 5, minus 2ab minus 4x and plus 25. That's equals to x square plus 4 plus 4x plus 81. X square get cancelled. It is 4 and 25, 29 minus 4x is equals to, these were like terms, okay. Here these are like terms. So 4x plus 4 and 81, 85. Right. So bring 4x here. So minus 4x and minus 4x is equals to 85. 29 gone there, minus 29. Okay. Sorted? Yes or no? Clear? Now, if you solve this one, minus 4x, it will be minus 8x is equals to 85 minus 21, 29. If it is 30, it is 56. It is 56. So, we'll write last point I'm solving here. That means x is equals to 56 upon minus 8. Yes or no? Yes, sir. So, it is 8 ones are 8 sevens are x equals to minus 7. It's cancelled. So the point is, find a point on x-axis which is equidistant. The point will be x comma 0 means minus 7 comma 0 is my answer. Copy it. Clear? Very good. Copy it. 1 minute. Coordinates of the point we have to write. We don't have to find the value of x. We have to write the coordinates of the point. Okay, you must know what is asked and what you are actually giving the answer. Coordinates of the point. Done? Tell me if it is done. Okay. Okay, so let's move forward to another question. Find a point on the y-axis. Okay, similar question. Similar question we have to solve. So this, okay. Similar question, but this time this question is on the y-axis. Okay. So we have to find a point on the y-axis, find a point on the y-axis which is equidistant from the point A, 6, 5 and B minus 4, 3. Okay. How to solve? Now the point is on the y-axis. Equidistant from the point A and B. So point A is this. This is point A and this is point B. Another point C is there. Okay. Point A coordinates are 6, 5 and point B coordinates are minus 4, 3. To join this line to point C, this is equidistant, means AC is equals to BC. Again, AC equals to BC. But this time this point is where? Where is this point lying? This is lying on the y-axis. Tell me. This is lying on the y-axis. Tell me. What can we do? Coordinates of this point will be what? Tell me. C lies on y-axis. C lies on y-axis. Okay. Which coordinate will be 0? Tell me. All the points which are on the y-axis have their which coordinate 0? For these points, which coordinate will be 0? Hello to everyone. Lying on y. Yes. Which coordinate will be 0? Tell me. Just now I told every one of you. Tell me. I'm not going to move forward. If the point is on y-axis, what will be the coordinates? Which will be 0? X will be 0. What are you doing? This point will be 0, y. Why? Because if it is 0, 0, the center, it is on the center. This is not moving here and here. This is only moving upside or downside. So upside and downside only y will change. X is fixed. So x is 0. X coordinate 0. Yes. So why taking so much time to respond? Okay, AC equals to BC. That means what is AC? It will be under root of 0 minus 6 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square. And that's going to be equals to BC. What will be BC? BC. 0 minus minus 4. So can I write it directly as 0 plus 4 whole square? 0 minus minus 4. Got it? 0 minus minus 4. So it will be 0 plus 4. Y minus 3 plus y minus 3 whole square. You can do it like this also. Minus 4 minus 0 and 3 minus 5. One or the same thing. No difference will be there in the solution and answer. Okay. Okay. Now we'll solve. So 0 minus 6 will be what? Minus 6 whole square. Minus 6 whole square will be 36 plus y minus 5 whole square, and that's equals to 0 plus 4 means 16 plus y minus 3 whole square. What we'll do now? Squaring both sides. The square root will get cancelled by the square root. What will get? 36 plus, what is y minus 5 whole square? A square b square minus 2ab means y square plus 25 minus 2ab means 2 into 5, 10y equals to 16 plus it will be y square plus 9 minus 6y. So what will I get? Y square is that is okay. Y is cancelled. Y square is cancelled by y square. Here what will be remaining? 36 plus 25. It will be 61 minus 10y gonna be equals to 16 plus 9, it is 25. Okay, it is 25 minus 6y. So bring the y here. So minus 10y plus 6y equals to 25. That's minus 61. Okay. So minus 10y plus 6y will be minus 4y. and that's equals 25 minus 61, it is 36 minus 36. Minus minus got cancelled. So 4y equal to 36. So y equals to 36 by 4, 9. So the coordinates will be 0 comma y. That means 0 comma 9 is my answer. Copy it. On the x-axis, y is 0. On the y-axis, x is 0. If the points are lying on those. Copy it. Done, done, done. Hello. Good evening, everyone. Okay. I guess it would have been done. Next corner. Okay, this we can do. We can do, we can do, we can do. Okay, let's solve. This is the question. The x coordinate of a point P is twice its y coordinate. If P is equidistant from Q and R, then find the coordinates of P. Right. This question we'll be doing. See, question is the x coordinate of a point P is twice the y coordinate. Okay. If P is equidistant from two points Q and R, that means if this is the point Q and this is the point R, there is a point P which is equidistant from both of these. That means, let's say this is the point P. You join PR and QP, it's going to be equal. This is being said. And coordinates of Q are 2, minus 5. Coordinates of R will be minus 3, 6. Okay. X coordinate of a point P is twice its y coordinate. Okay. If y coordinate is A, then x coordinate will be 2A, because it is being said that x coordinate is what? Twice of y coordinate. X coordinate is what? Twice of y coordinate. Would mean what? Would mean what? X coordinate is twice of y. X is twice of y. So if it is A, it will be 2A. Yes or no? Sorted? Got the point? I think yes. Okay. So now we'll start solving this. X coordinate, see, this is written. You all have to underline these things in the questions or okay. X coordinate of a point P is twice its y coordinate. It means x is double. If it is 5, it is 10. It is 10, it is 20. It is 100, it is 200. It is 4, it is 8. So if it is A, it is 2A. Okay. X and 2x also you can write, but x and y are already coordinates. So we cannot mix it up like algebra. Okay. So we have written A. You can write it as T also. You can write it as T. T also, no problem. 2T and T. Done. Okay, let's move forward. Now P is equidistant. That means again we have to do that. QP equals to RP. QP or PQ equals to anything you can write. PQ equals to PR. Equidistant means this is same distance. Okay. Why A, sir? Yeah, that is the reason why A. X and Y we cannot let. Okay. Done. So A and 2A. Done. This is X coordinate actually. This is X coordinate actually, and this is Y. X is double of Y. X is double of Y. Can you see this is A, this is 2A. Done. Now let what? PQ will be what? Can anyone tell me? Under root of PQ. PQ. So 2A minus 2 whole square. Yeah, 2 minus 2A whole square. Anything you can write. We are going from here to here. Here to here. So 2 minus 2A. 2 minus 2A whole square plus minus 5 minus A whole square. Okay. Equals to PR minus 3 minus 2A whole square. And it will be 6 minus A whole square. Done? I think it is done now. Okay. Sorted. What I have done here, see, it is 2 minus 2A whole square, minus 5 minus A whole square. It is minus 3 minus 2A whole square and 6 minus A whole square. Done? Now see, good calculations. See, it is written 2 minus 2A whole square. What is this? If you take out minus sign common, it will be 5 plus A and it will be whole square. Treat it as negative of something whole square. So it is minus, if it was simply minus 16 whole square. Can you write it as 16 whole square? Yes, sir. So if it is minus 5 minus A, can I write it as minus common, that is 5 plus A? Whole square it is. Whole square it is. Sorted. Inside I have taken minus sign common. And negative whole square is always positive. So it is nothing but 5 plus A whole square. Got this point? Okay. Similarly, we'll write under root of minus 3 minus 2A. It will be 3 plus 2A. If both are negative, we can take out negative sign common. Okay. If one negative, we cannot take out. Plus 6 minus A whole square. Sorted? Okay. Now see. Squaring both sides, this square root will get cancelled by this. So what we'll get? 2 minus 2a whole square, a minus b whole square, a square, b square, 2ab, minus 2a. A square means 2 square, 4. 2a whole square will be 4a square. Minus 2ab means multiply both of these and then multiply by 2. So 2 into 2a is 4a, 4a into 2, 8a. Plus 5 plus a whole square, open it, 25 plus a square plus 2 5s are 10 and a. Equals to what? 3 plus 2a whole square. Tell me. Yes. Tell me. 3 plus 2a whole square. 3 square is 9. 2a square is 4a square. Plus 2ab would mean multiply both of these and then multiply by 2. 3 into 2, a. 3 into 2a, 6a. 6a into 2, it will be 12a. Plus 6 minus a whole square. Open it. 6 square, 36. A square will be a square and minus 2ab would mean minus 2 into 6a, that means minus 12a. If you see on the LHS and RHS, this 4a square and 4a square get cancelled. A square and a square get, see, a square are getting cancelled. If it is a square and it is minus a square, it won't be cancelled. So what I get finally, tell me. Add the numbers 4 and 25. What will be 25 and 4? 29. Minus 8a and plus 10a. It will be plus 2a equals to 9 and 36. It will be how much? 45? 45. And 12a and minus 12a. Okay, these are cancelled. Equals to 45. Simply 2a is equals to 45 minus 29. Would mean 2a equals to what? 16. Yes or no? 2a is 16. That means a equals to what? A equals to 8. So the coordinates are 2a comma a, 2a comma a. If a is 8, coordinates will be 16 comma 8 is my answer. The coordinates of the point P will be 16 comma 8. Copy. Lots of things to be learned in this single question. Copy it ASAP. Copy. Lots of things to be. I'll give you 2 minutes. See the question properly, okay? What they are saying, how we solve this question. Hardest question. Solve this one for right. For this time, solve this. This is the hardest. Done? Okay, done. So let's move forward for another question. Start solving questions from R.D. Sharma. First exercise, start solving question. First and second exercise. Start solving question, okay? These are the examples from R.D. Sharma, but examples from R.D. Sharma, from PYQs. These are all CBSE questions, okay? And you must solve all the CBSE questions in R.D. Sharma exercise, okay? Every one of you. So this is done, 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 done. Okay. Next question. Do the points this form a triangle? If so, name the type of triangle formed. NCRT. NCRT's question is this. What the question says? See, good question, huh? All questions are good. All class questions. Okay. What the question says? Let me drink some water. You see this? What the question says? Do the points A, B, and C form a triangle? If so, name the type of triangles so formed. Okay. 3 points are given. They are saying, do the points form a triangle? If so, name the type of triangles so formed. So how to check they can form a triangle? How to check? How to check that they can form a triangle? How to check that these points can make a triangle? Okay, let's see. Let's see. Do one thing first. Do one thing first. Wait. Okay. Now it is clear. No blurring. No blurring. Everything is sorted. Okay. Is there any problem in the video? Yes, I think it's getting blurred again and again. Huh? Yes, yes, yes. Wait, wait, wait. Now it's good. Now is it good? No. What's the problem? And I'm not able to understand. Wait. Okay, let's see now. It's okay, I think. Now I think it's okay. Okay. So do the points this form a triangle. So let's say let's say this forms a triangle. Okay, let's say this is A, this is B, this is C. What are the coordinates of A? These are 3, 2. Right. What are B? It's -2, -3. And what is C? It is 2, 3. Okay. Now how to check? How to check? How to check? We'll find AB. If you are set to find AB, how will you find? Tell me. Tell me. AB, you'll write what? Under root of. Directly, can anyone tell me? Directly what to write for AB? Directly what to write for AB? Can anyone tell me? Let's find the sides. Okay. AB, BC, and CA. Okay. So let AB equals to 3 minus 2. So 5 square plus 2 minus minus 3, again 5 square. Got this point or no? Tell me. Very good, Akash. Very good. 3 plus 2 square. 3 minus minus 2 would be 3 plus 2 square. And 2 minus minus 3 would be 2 plus 3 square. Okay. So it will be under root of 25 plus 25. That means AB equal to under root of 50. Now what will be BC? Can anyone tell me what will be BC? Under root of minus 2 minus 2. You can do minus 2 minus 2. It will be minus 4 whole square, 16. You can do 2 minus 2 minus 2. 2 minus minus 2. So 2 plus 2 whole square, it is also 16. Tell me. If I'll write minus 2 minus 2, it will be minus 4 whole square, and minus 4 whole square is what? 16. If I write 2 minus minus 2 would mean 2 plus 2. Again it will be 16. 3 minus minus 3, 3 plus 3 means 6 square. Means yes or no? It will be 4 square plus 3 plus 3, that means 6 square. So it is nothing but 416 and it is 36. So BC came out to be under root 52. Got it? Got it? So tell me what will be the length of AC. Up to you. Come on, solve. Tell me the length of AC. Calculate and tell me the length of AC, exact length. Let's see. Let's see how many of you are alive in the class and whomsoever is sleeping. Huh? I'll find out who's sleeping now. I'll find out who is sleeping now. Come on, tell me. What will be the length of AC? Tell me, what will be the length of AC? Tell me, tell me, tell me. No one. Is it so difficult to find AC? After teaching up to this level? What will be the length of AC? 10 seconds more, fast. Come on, do it fast. It is not so difficult. I'm not going to solve. Forget this. What happened? Tell me now. It will be under root of enough 3 minus 2. That means 1 square plus 2 minus 3 minus 1 whole square. So it will be what? Under root of 1 minus 1 square is also 1. That means root 2. Under root 2. Sorted. So what we saw in this question, AB is root 50. It is root 52 and it is root 2. Yes, it will form a triangle. It will form a triangle. But what kind of triangle? If you can see in a right angle triangle, see, last part I am doing here, last part, okay. Last part I am doing here. If you see a right angle triangle, see, this is the base, this is perpendicular and this is hypotenuse, okay. So you must be knowing a theorem, h square equal to p square plus b square. If I write the value of base as under root 2, perpendicular as under root 50, it will come out to be under root 52. Check. Let's check. What is P? P is root 50, it is whole square. Plus what is base? It is under root 2 whole square. Under root 50 square is 50. Under root 2 square is 2. It is 50. So h square equal to 50. So h is going to be, sorry, 52. 50 and 2 is 52. If h square is 50, h will be under root of 52. If h square is 52, h will be under root 52. So this follows the Pythagoras rule. This is what? Pythagoras rule. Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. We'll say yes, it will form a right angled triangle. Right triangle. Okay. Copy it. That's it. It was indeed very easy to find. You must have calculated, no? Solve the first and second exercise of R.D. Sharma. Start solving, okay? For this chapter. Okay, they were saying that is it possible to form a triangle? So we'll see under root 50 is what? Something 25 root 2. This plus this will be greater than this. Any two sides sum will be greater than the third side. So we'll say yes, this is the condition for that 3 points can make a triangle. Sum of two sides greater than third sides. Done. So that's it for today. Practice more and more questions from R.D. Sharma. Exercise number 1 and exercise number 2. Distance formula you must practice. Check what exercise it is. And PYQs if you can solve. Find out these questions from the PYQ book, Aryan book and start solving. Right? So that's it for today. We'll meet tomorrow. Till then, goodbye. Take care. Good night.